Greetings, class. This is Sir Bren, and we are in the quarter 4, week 6 of basic calculus. In this lesson, we'll be computing plane area using definite integrals. Last time we have learned the fundamental theorem of calculus. It states that the integral of f of x dx to be evaluated from a to b, so these are called the limits of integration, is equal to, so we integrate the functions or the function first, then substitute the upper limit b minus the result of substituting the lower limit of a. This is if f of x is greater than or equal to 0 in a closed interval a comma b. Makikita natin sa graph na ito, no? In this closed plane figure, the shaded region, yung kulay pink, is bounded or nakapasok or niyayakap by the x-axis, this one, the function y is equals to f of x, so itong curve na to, itong graph, and x is equals to a, and x is equals to b. So I will give you examples to understand this. First example, find the area of the plane region bounded by y is equals to 3x plus 1, x is equals to 1, x is equals to 3, and the x-axis. Okay, so we have here in this graph, no, meron tayong linear graph, a line. This is y is equals to 3x plus 1. So if you want to graph, pumunta lang kayo sa desmos.com. No, you can type in y is equals to 3x plus 1, and this kind of graph will appear. No? The plane region is bounded by the graph. X is equals to 1. So magpo-project tayo dito. Where is x is equals to 1? So we will draw a vertical line. And then x is equals to 3. Ito naman yun, class. A vertical line, x is equals to 3. And x-axis, ito yon. So the shaded area is this one. In finding the area, we will use the fundamental theorem of calculus, this one. So it says that the area is equals to the integral of f of x dx to be evaluated from a to b. We have the function as 3x plus 1 and then dx to be evaluated from 1 to 3. 3 is the upper limit and 1 is the lower limit. So first we will evaluate or get the integral of 3x plus 1. 3x 1 plus 1 is 2 over 2 plus integral of 1 is x from 1 to 3. Now we can substitute the limits. For x is, first is 3 squared over 2 plus x is 3 minus, no? We get the difference. 3 times 1 squared, which is the lower limit, over 2 plus 1. Solving this, we will get 16.5 minus 2.5. So our area for the plane region is equals to 14. And our unit of measurement is square units since we are solving for the area. Take note that the sign of the area should be positive or its absolute value. Okay, next example is find the area of the graph of the function f of x is equals to sine x between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2 pi. If you want to graph it again, you can go to desmos.com. So the curve starts from 0 and intersects to pi and then intersects again to 2 pi. Yung ating shaded area is this one. And we have another one, no, dito sa baba. So you will notice that the result, no, nung ginawa nating graph gave us two plane figures, no? So we have two shaded regions. In return, we will be having two definite integrals. Our equation for the area will be the integral of sine x dx. So, yung una nating curve na mayroong shaded area is from 0. So, ito, no? 0 to pi. So, to be evaluated from 0 to pi. Plus, yung pangalawa nating plane area is the integral of sine x dx to be evaluated from ito, no? Yung pi, which is the lower limit, and yung upper limit is 2 pi. Ito naman yun. Okay? So first, we will compute for this one. No? So the integral of sine x dx is negative cosine x from 0 to pi. We place the negative sign outside, then substitute the upper limit pi to x first. So cosine of pi minus cosine of the lower limit, which is 0. So we compute this using a calculator. Pwede yun, no? Take note that pi is equals to 180 degrees, no? Or 180. So in your calculator, no, class, press cosine, and then pi is 180. So cosine of 180 is equals to negative 1. Okay, so we place negative 1 here. And then minus cosine of 0. Cosine, and then 0 closed is equals to, we have 1. Okay, so minus negative 1 minus 1 will give us negative 2. So negative times negative is positive. So our area for this one, no, is positive 2. Plus, the integral of sine x dx is also negative cosine x evaluated from pi to 2 pi minus cosine of the upper limit, which is 2 pi, minus cosine of pi. Cosine of 2 pi, sabi nga natin, pi is 180. So, 2 times 180 is 360. Cosine of 360 is equals to 1. We place 1 here. Minus cosine of pi, or cosine of 180. Cosine of 180 is negative 1. 1 minus negative 1, so negative times negative will be positive. Our area for this region is equals to negative 2. We get the sum of two areas, pero ang sabi natin, no, the area requires to be positive or its absolute value. So we will change this to the absolute value. Yung negative 2 magiging positive 2. 2 plus 2, the area will be 4 square units. Thank you very much for listening. This is Sir Bren. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will see you soon. God bless you all and stay safe. Thank you.